Alright, so on this video I'll show you how to set up your brand store. You want to create a brand store if you have a brand registry, your trademark approved on Amazon, because it will allow you to get an additional sales and exposure. When people clicking on your storefront, you want to look professional and represent your brand well. It also gives you some other feature, which is insights, some analytics data that can give you information on how many sales you got from the store and all of that. And let me show you how to do it on Seller Central. Let's start. Hi, what's up guys? This is Tomer from sourcingmonster.com. Welcome to another video, and if it's your first time here and you want to learn more on how you can create your own Amazon brand, selling private label products too, and creating a scalable income from anywhere in the world, start now by subscribing to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay guys, so let's start. I'll show you first how to set up the brand store, where you locate this, and then what are the guidelines to help you create and build a storefront that looks great by checking other sellers, by checking other examples. And that's something that you will need to do in order to get your store set up and being a looking good store. So first of all, you have to go to stores and manage stores. Now I have my own brand here, but in case you don't, let's go to a place or like a marketplace that I don't have a brand. I'm gonna go to manage stores, and then when you actually don't have a store yet, you should click on create store. But it says that you don't have any brands registered. Only registered brand owners are eligible to create stores. So you can either register your brand by getting, again, I can't stress this enough, you should create your own, get your own trademark and get brand registry, like if you plan to sell on Amazon. If you have one or two products, start applying. If you're just a beginner, don't apply it. Only after one or two products that are selling well and you have more confidence, then start to apply to it, so you don't waste money. So you will click on registry, and you can get more information by going to only registered brands are eligible, enroll your brand in the Amazon brand registry. So you can technically create or manage the brand here. Okay, so after you registered your brand, you will have, like, let's go back to the regular marketplace, and it should be stores, manage stores. And you first of all, you have two options. First, you can see insights. Insights are something that is very useful, and I'll cover later, and it can help you to manage everything. To be honest, I didn't really check this frequently, only at the beginning when I set up it. But at this point, when I was preparing to this video, I saw this option again and was digging in the numbers, and so, oh wow, I'm getting some sales from this store. So by making this video, it's actually helping me as well. But let's go first to the edit store setup. Okay, this area will be hidden, but you can put, I just throw there the logo, put there some best-selling items or items that I wanted to promote. You can add page here, and that will allow you to have like tabs here. So if you have a couple of categories, let's say you have 50 items, and you sell like towels, and then you say kitchen products, and then you have sport goods. So you want to specify them or have them separated in different pages and categories, and then within these pages you are going to show the relevant items that are for this category. Now it's pretty simple, and you can add a page here. You can choose layouts. If you have a product grid like I have in my own page or the storefront, here you have product highlight, show a flagship product. Here you have a marquee, tell brand story and show categories, blank, build it from scratch without the code, and you can put some meta description if you're not aware of what is meta description, and navigation title. This helps your SEO. SEO is search engine or optimization, so that will show on the top. And let's go actually to Amazon and show you some examples of storefronts. Okay, so let's go here and click on this brand, for example, and then go to their page. So look, they have the pages here split by categories, and they have a nice image here. But if you see on the top, their page title, which is this thing, it's just their brand name, which is not that great. Why? Because I would want to put brand name and then write some details about my products or my best-selling products and use their keywords in a smart way, so I can get more traffic from Google, because Amazon is a well-branded domain or well-known domain, which is a authority site by Google, and you have a chance of getting clicks from people. Let's pretend that you wrote here what they're selling. Let's say like acne products, whatever, and then you wrote on Google acne products. There is a small chance. Acne products is a very saturated and competitive market, so the chance for something like that to be ranked right just because you put it here, it's like 1%. But for some less competitive items, you have a good chance, because Google appreciate Amazon. They have a very DA, which is the domain authority in Google, and it will allow you to get some free traffic if you put here and use this area in a smart way. The same for meta description. The title should be a little smaller than the meta description, and meta description will put and explain more about your product and what you are actually selling. The second part is to just spy and see how other brands set up their own stores and get some inspiration for that. So to be honest, they set it up in it's okay, nice way. They put here like a nice image with some items which don't show the pictures for some reason, I don't know why. And overall it's good. It's not that bad actually. They put the bestsellers here, and that can give you inspiration. They also put the share buttons with their friends, which is great, can help you get more exposure on social media. And let's try to go to other brands. Okay, let's go here and see what are the items here. They're frequently bought together. I don't want to click on this because these are sponsored products, but let's go to this brand and let's see. Okay, this looks great actually. I love the way that they set up these with the stars here. They have the categories, they have right to the point the products, which I love. This is really nice, I really like it. So you see, by going to other brands and checking their products, you can get inspiration and see how they set up their brands and get ideas and things that you can learn from. So inspired by customers who searched her towel ultimately, but I don't know, let's go to this one. Okay, so you see another example. They're selling hair towels or microfiber hair towel, and this is great. I love this page. Why? Because at the beginning they have the top image, which is very cool, right, talking right about the product. They have the logo here, pages, and then they have like very nice images featuring some text, and it's really engaging, I think. And then they have products. So by going again to other brands, you check how they look, how they do things, you get inspiration, and you take the ideas from there and apply it to your own store. And then you can check it, see how it works, and apply it as well. Now let's go to the insight, okay? So for the store overview, if you see the date range here is the last 30 days. But let's go here and do from March to June 1st, okay? So we had 804 visitors. So these visitors most likely they come when they scroll to the item, like they open your listing and they click here on your brand name, so then they can get to their store. And I got 139 sales from that, which is pretty amazing to be honest. And you see here the visitors and the views and the top sources, organic traffic, other sources. Oh, actually, Amazon sponsored brands. I do have a sponsored brand ad campaign, but you can see most of the sales came from like Amazon organic traffic or other sources, which is amazing. So you have all this information. You can see here by day, you can see everything, and that's actually very useful, because now when I see that, it will actually give me more motivation to push and create a better storefront, invest in this more time. So it's important always to really analyze the data and see what works, what doesn't. And you see when you have one page here, so it doesn't really help, but we can click here, Amazon sponsored brands. Give me the number of clicks. Anyway, it's a great data to get some insights from, and based on the insights that you get, you can take an action and decide what to do next. If you're happy with the results, you don't want to do anything, just keep an eye on it. If you see the good results and you say to yourself, you know what, I didn't really expect to get these results, let me try to invest more time in this, take action, improve this page, and get even more sales. So it's all about data and about analyzing, and at the end taking action. The big gap in everything in people's lives and business is the gap between knowing what to do to actually do it. So there are $1 million ideas out there by anyone, but who is going to make the $1 million is the guy that is going to take the action and just execute the plan. That's the small difference that makes someone successful or not. So I hope you got value from this. It's not gonna make a huge difference on your bottom line, but it's something to do after you really took care of the important things, or if you have some extra time, invest in this, build your store and get it done. I hope again you got value. Please like this video, please subscribe if you didn't subscribe already to the channel, and share it, comment anything that can help me create more videos. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.